Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So today I just picked up this HOMELITE blower, and it was donated. Bought it at a thrift store. I think I paid, what did I pay? $14.51. Kind of an odd price, but yeah, pretty filthy blower around the carburetor. Anyway, everything else is not so bad really. What I'm going to do is try to start this today before it gets dark. We've got about another hour left, so I'm going to mix up some fuel. This is a 2-cycle. I'm going to check the spark. I think I've got compression. I think I've got enough compression. We're going to see if we can start it. If not, more than it'll probably need to have the carburetor either replaced or cleaned. So I'm not sure what's going to be done to it. But all I want to do today is just see if I can get started. So anyway, we'll grab some fuel. We're going to check our plug, and then we will continue from there. So the 26B is 26 cc's, 150 miles per hour. And let's check, see what we've got here. I know there's no fuel in it, but let's see what the filter looks like and what the tank looks like. Okay, yeah, kind of hard to see in there. I'm going to assume that the filter is okay. I can tell that the line is not broken in there. Yeah, the reason I bought this was because primer bulbs seemed to be okay. Fuel lines were intact. And yeah, it was pretty clean everywhere else. So we're going to give it a chance, see if we can get it started and we can use it again. I think here's the cover. There's no screen or there's no filter. I'm going to wipe that off before trying to start it, so nothing goes into the carburetor if it's not already in there. Hopefully that's not the case. I've got some starting instructions, and I just need to find out the ratio of oil gas. It shouldn't be too difficult. So I'll get right back once I've got some mixed up. I don't know how long this has been sitting, but you can see that there's it's wet. Can't really see in there very good. Yeah, I can't really see in there very good. So anyway, let's see if we're getting any spark. So I can see a little bit of spark. Don't know if that's going to be enough to start it, but we'll try. I'm going to use a non-chlorinated cleaner. Try to clean up a little bit better. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Put our spark plug back in. Gonna put our cover back on. Okay. Gonna add our 50-to-1 fuel. Okay, we're going to see if we can get it priming. Okay, here's a big step. We need to make sure we're getting fuel in the primer bulb. I'm going to prime it until I see fuel coming in. If I don't see fuel coming in, you know, after 10 times, 15 times, then I think we're going to be in trouble. So here we go, first time. All right, look at that. Did you see that already? 2, 3, 4. I see it coming up. 5, 6, 7. That's 10. We're going to go with 10. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this all the way at the rabbit there. Let's turn it around so I can pull the cord. We're going to do this on full choke. I'm going to pull this. Engine attempts to start, set choke to half, and then pull it until it starts. Pull engine starts, 6 times max, run for 10 seconds, set choke to run. Prime it one more time, 2 times. Okay, getting dark here, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video, but yeah, you saw it started. It runs pretty good, it really does. Didn't stall out on me. You got to control the throttle right here, which is kind of awkward because I'm used to using the trigger, and most people probably are used to using the trigger. But yeah, you start it up, it blows. Pretty simplistic, 150 mile per hour blower, supposedly, 26 cc. If you need to make adjustments to the carburetor, you can with the high and the low air fuel mixture knobs there. But yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. It's pretty basic, and it's really not bad, I guess. Will I use it? Well, I don't know. I don't really know. I may find something else to do with it, but you know, it does have potential. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.